Welcome to ePrompto. Now we will explore the ticketing module. Click on Login button to sign in. Now we come to the ticketing module. On the top, all the members you have created will appear in a tabular format. You can see member-wise open tickets, assigned tickets, pending, in progress, resolved, and total. There is also an approval cycle, so if you need approval for any ticket, you can send it for approval. Now, on the bottom, we have given you certain tabs: Open Tickets, WIP, Approval, Reports, and Masters. All your open tickets will be available under the Open tab. Here you can see your open tickets. All tickets will be available first, and the recent tickets will be available below them. If you want to raise a ticket, we have given you two options. You can select your member, select the user for whom you want to raise the ticket, and choose the severity. You can select a category from the predefined menu, whether it is an incident or a request. Certain fields are optional. You can enter your ticket description, and if you have a screenshot, you can attach it using the Choose File option, then submit the ticket. Once submitted, you can see tickets available under Open. Under the Action button, you can view ticket details. In Ticket Details, you can see all the information about your ticket with the time and date stamp, and at the bottom, you will always get a history of the ticket with all comments. When a ticket is open, you can update its status. While updating, you can assign the ticket or send it for approval. During assignment, you can select your resolver and, if known, enter the severity and category. After submitting, the open ticket gets assigned. Once assigned, the ticket moves into the WIP bracket. You can see here that the ticket has been assigned. All tickets are color-coded, assigned in green, in progress in orange. This helps you easily identify which tickets need further action. He can enter the details and resolve the ticket. Once resolved, all tickets will move into the Reports section. In the Reports tab, select your member and choose a period. You can download the report issue-wise, severity-wise, or resolver-wise. When opening the resolver report, you can see all data. You can also download reports for a specific location such as Thane, or for a custom period to view more tickets. All tickets are available in an Excel format, showing resolver-wise details along with comments for complete data analysis. Tickets can also be raised by using the agent. On user systems, the agent is installed. Users can open the ePrompto agent, where a ticketing tab is provided. They can raise a ticket using the Raise Ticket button, enter their complaints, attach a file if needed, and add the ticket. Once the ticket is raised, you can add a category, enter a description, and submit it. The ticket then appears under Open Tickets, Ticket, and as and when the resolvers are working on the ticket, the status will get updated. We come to the Open Ticket. We can see this ticket has been created now. Just now close it, assign the ticket, and after assignment, we can just show the agent. You can see it has been assigned, status has been changed to assigned. Now once the ticket is resolved, let us resolve this ticket. Just resolve, submit. You can again see on the agent, the ticket is now showing resolved. So there is complete communication between the ticketing portal and the agent and the user who has raised the ticket. You can also get all the updates regarding the status of the work. So this is about our ticketing module. Now we can also show you the approval cycle. Instead of assigned, you will need approval. You have to select the HOD. Please approve spend of 15,000 rupees. Submit. Now this ticket will go in for approval. Here you can see this is a request for approval ticket. We just close this, and if you come to the update status, there is no update status coming for the tickets. Now we have to go and log into the HOD screen. Just check email address first. Now we are showing you the HOD login. In the HOD portal under approval, the HOD is able to either accept or reject it. It is accepted and submitted. Now this ticket is available under approval, under accepted. We can just select the filter for accepted tickets only. Here you will see now this ticket has been accepted and update status will be available for assignment. Once the ticket is assigned, it will follow the same path as any other ticket, and the resolver can resolve the matter and close the ticket. On closing or resolving, automatically the ticket will move into the report section. So this is all about our ticketing module. Please get in touch to stay updated on the upcoming session video. Thank you.